Hello guys, this is your boy is back here and welcome to another interesting episode. Guys, in today's video, okay, we are going to dissect the Trading Geek, his Fibonacci trading strategy. And he titled it, this Fibonacci trading strategy will make millionaires. Yeah, will make millionaires. We are going to really see if it will do make millionaires, all right? Now, if you bust through this video, then probably is because you are looking for a Forex trading strategy. And I can understand you because, guys, you know, there's a plethora of information on YouTube that if you're a beginner trader, you can get lost. It's easy to get lost in the area of, you know, you come to the point of asking yourself, so which strategy should I go with? And guys, I've taken that role on myself to make it so that on this channel, I will be putting on this channel only content, only strategies that you guys can use, pick this strategy, study them very well, and at the end of the day, you can make profit with it. All right. So in this strategy by the Trading Geek, we are going to find out these 4 important elements in each trading strategy. Or let me put it in this way, these 4 crucial elements that every trading strategy, every good trading strategy must have. First one is every good Forex trading strategy must have an entry. It must have an exit point. It must have a winning logic to it. And last point is it must have a risk management. Then the 5th point is stickability. That one is up to you, okay? Psychology. So guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and dissect this strategy and see whether it can fit you as a beginner trader or an intermediary trader, all right? Then at the end of the video, I'll give you my review, my opinion on the strategy. Then I would like to know yours too as well, okay? So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So guys, I'll put the link to this video in the description, all right? We must give credit to whom credit is due, all right? So big shout out to the Trading Geek because, guys, the strategy is beautiful, all right? So we will jump right straight into it, but I will be skipping, all right? I'll be skipping through it because I want us to see the exact points, okay? Whereby it talks about the entry, the exit, the risk management, the logic behind the strategy, all right? Because these are areas that, you know, most of the times when we are making, I have to say we, do you understand me? Because me to myself, I put Forex trading strategies on my channel. So I have to say we, so, you know, when we are putting these strategies on the channel, sometimes because of the shortage of time, we don't want to make it too long. So we tend not to put certain things inside, or most of the times, you know, depending on the people we want to address the video to, or depending on our audience, we tend not to, you know, even touch on certain matters because maybe we assume that the people that are following us are traders that are, you know, let's say they are quite grounded in the trading industry. Do you understand me? My goal is to let you know the exact points in each video where they talk about these 4 crucial points. Then when you are using it for yourself, you will know when to apply this exact points. Okay, so let's start the video.
I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Fibonacci retracements and how you can use this magical tool to make millions from trading. So what is Fibonacci retracements?
Okay.
I do not want to waste
so
your
he's
time
giving us a background about Fibonacci. Okay,
tools.
So we are right into the logic behind, or the science, or the theory behind the strategy. Okay, good.
Because honestly, you do not need to know who created this and stuff. Your stop loss must be 250.61.
I'll forward it a little bit, all right? You have to follow through the whole video, right? That's why I'll put the link of the video in the description, okay? So that you will go and watch the video, okay? So I will take us to, as I told you guys, this is the beginning.
These are your retracements levels. That means that we are
These are
retraced to either one of these retracement levels. And as you can see, price went down to the 38.2 retracement levels. So the next...
And as I was saying, guys, these are the logic behind the strategy. So I will forward it to where the logic behind the strategy ends, and then we will go into the entry, okay? Because he did give us 3 examples, okay? 3 examples. So let's go to the first one. All right. Okay, so here we are. We're about to look at the entry point, guys. Before we watch the entry, okay, I want to talk about something important about this strategy, okay? So guys, before you can use this strategy, when you go through the logic behind the strategy, okay, from the beginning point that I showed you guys to the very point where we are right now, okay, to minutes 5:29 seconds, okay, that whole area, that whole section includes the strategy, the strategy's logic, okay, the mind frame that you need to have before you can use the strategy, the understanding that you need to have behind the strategy, okay? Now, I want to talk about some few things that you need to know before you can use this strategy very, very well, okay? So you need to know Fibonacci retracement, okay? So if after watching this video, which it did explain very well, after watching this video, if it is still not clear, guys, you can write me, okay? You can write me and I can help you out to understand Fibonacci, or if you want me to do a video on it, you can put it in the comment section, all right? Then you will need to understand candlesticks patterns, okay? Candlesticks patterns, because that is what you will use for your entries, okay? Then you will need to understand the different directions of the market, okay? Which is 3 different, the market has 3 directions, okay? Uptrending, downtrending, and consolidation. Ranging. In this case, we don't need the ranging, okay? In this strategy, you don't need the ranging, okay? So you need the uptrend, downtrend, okay? But then you need to understand when the trend has the beginning of the trend and the end of the trend to be able to draw your Fibonacci, all right? So these are the things you need to know, all right? The Fibonacci tool is given to you freely on each platform, all right? So now let's get into the entry.
Momentum, and this shows us that price is done retracing. So at this exact moment, this is when we enter for a buy position. Finally, right? And finally,
okay, so
for a buy right here, and we'll momentum, and this shows us that price is done.
So in this case in particular, the Trading Geek didn't talk about the pattern that was shown here, all right? The pattern that was shown here is the three white soldiers, okay? The pattern that was shown here is the 3 white soldiers, okay? So that's why I said it's important to know the chart patterns, because in the other examples that he will be using, he uses the different variants of chart patterns, which he did mention, okay? But this one, he just said upward momentum, but in reality, it is called the 3 white soldiers, okay? And we have the 3 black crows, okay? So when you see this, then you can get ready to enter, provided we are in the retracement zones, okay? So let's keep moving.
So at this exact moment, this is when we enter for a buy.
Okay.
Finally, right?
That's the entry. Okay, good.
We enter for a buy.
So
right,
first
and we'll place our
point
stop loss
take
below the swing low, right?
Now he is showing us the exits. Okay, so these are the exits, all right, and alongside the exits is encapsulated the risks to reward. Okay, so the risks to is being mentioned. So big ups. The Trading Geek.
Profit, you want to place your take profit at the extension level that we have drawn. The next
very clear.
Extension level all the way up here. So let's see how this strip.
Nice one. The risk to reward is pretty good. The risk to reward is pretty good.
Bam! Absolutely smash our take profit level.
Good. Let's go to the next example. Okay, so that's all we needed to do. We needed to find the logic. The logic is already given to us. The entry point I showed you guys, all right? The exit, we've seen it. Risk management, we've seen it. So let's move to the next example. Okay, let's watch from here.
A Morningstar candlestick pattern. So this Morningstar candlestick pattern tells us that price is...
You see, Morningstar candlestick pattern. You see, a chart pattern again is being mentioned. All right. So guys, you need to nail your chart pattern theory. Okay. And you know, in reality, you don't have to study all the chart patterns. Okay. There are some few important ones that you need to know. And when you know them, you are ready to go.
Done retracing, and price is going to reverse and hit back up, along with this bullish engulfing candlestick telling us there is a lot of upward momentum. So in this case, this is where we enter for a buy position.
All right, so this one to here is the entry, and these are the exits. All right, your stop loss and your take profit. Good, nice one. This one too played out. All right, so now he's about to show us the third example, which is a sell one. So let's go to the entry,
which show us that at some point of time, price got pushed all the way up to the 61.8 level, but then it got rejected. That's why price is this super long weak candle. So once we see this candlestick, we can enter for a sell right here, because this shows us that there is a lot of selling pressure, and this overall downtrend is going to continue. So your place a stop.
Good. So you see, that is where we sell. You see, this is where we sell. All right. Good.
Continue. So your place a stop loss above this swing high right here.
So you basically sell or buy after every candlestick closure when we are in the zone. Very, very important. All right, guys. Very, very, very important. Then you apply your risk to reward. Okay. And yeah, that is that, which comes with your entry and exit.
27 extension level. And let's see how this trade plays out. Boom, 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 boom.
Good one. So guys, I think this strategy is great. I think this strategy is amazing. If you watch to the end, he will say that watch it another video to add some ideas to it, which basically he was talking about support and resistance. All right, supply and demand zone. I just saw a tip of that video, and basically I think that is what that video is probably about. All right, guys, so my reservations about the strategy is dope. All right, it's dope, but I think you need knowledge. It was very, very clear. All right, it was very, very clear. Now, if you're a busy person, from the way I saw him explain the strategy, he did it on 4-hour time frame. Okay, so if you're a busy person, per what I saw in the strategy, the time frame in which it is being executed, you can use it. All right. And if you have more time and you want to trade more of it, you can shrink the time frame into a lower time frame. You can lower it and come to maybe 1 hour or the 15 minutes time frame and apply the same concept. All right. Remember, guys, I go with this principle: the greater, the lesser is included in the greater. So whatever thing you can do in the higher time frame, you can do it in the smaller time frame. And if you can do it in the smaller time frame too, that means it is also doable in the bigger time frame. All right. So keep that in mind. Having said that, guys, what about, is it for beginners? Okay. Is it for beginners or not? I think beginners can use it. Why? Because it, you know, it encompasses some small, not complicated, let me say, it encompasses or it compounds ideas in trading that is not complicated. Candlestick patterns, very, very simple, and Fibonacci retracement. And, you know, from the video, you can see that it shows you the areas, the numbers in which you have to come in. So if you're a beginner, it is very, very easy to grab a hold of this strategy and use it on the go. You guys get me? So I think this strategy is beginner friendly. All right, I'll put it in that way. It is beginner friendly. And if you are an advanced trader too, I think you can go with it because it is very, very, very valid. All right. I would say that if you can add some market structures to it, it will be something that is good. All right. So guys, if you don't know about market structures and stuff like that, you can let me know in the comment section. All right. So that I'll prepare a video on that. for you guys. Okay, now what is my rating for this strategy? My rating for this strategy is guys, I'm gonna give it a straight 9. I'm gonna give it a 9 for the simplicity and how it is straightforward and how it, it encapsulates everything for anyone on each level, and the clarity in his explanation. I'll give it a straight 9. I'll give it a straight 9 because he tapped on all the 4 areas: risk management and all these kind of things. Do you understand me? You always have to have from the examples that we saw, it was always like a minimum of a risk to reward 1:2. So that is pretty good. That is pretty good. You understand me? Then obviously, you have to use, as a general term of rule, you have to use 1% of your capital every time. You understand me? If your risk appetite can't stand the 1% of the capital, the total capital that you have, then take it down. Okay? Take it down and use a smaller lot size so that you can risk little, and then go and do the same thing. All right? So guys, I bring my reservations concerning this strategy to an end, and I want to know, guys, your rating in the comment section. All right? And whatever thoughts that you have about this strategy, and if there's something in it that you didn't understand, let me know and I'll come through and I'll help you guys. All right? If you also want to know about my strategy, God's grace strategy, guys, with God's grace strategy, you don't have to know any, give it to your dog and your dog can trade. Yeah, that is how easy this strategy is. That's why I call it God's grace. You understand me? You don't have to be doing too much. Leave it for the strategy. All right. So guys, thank you very much for your time, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. All right. Having said